King from wherethesidewalkends.com, and we're here at the beautiful Chai Brasserie in Beverly Hills, California, talking about how to set a table for children, for your youngest diners. If you want mom and dad to stay on through dessert and after dinner drinks, you have to take care of Junior too. So something that's important to remember when you're talking about guests that are under 5 years old, you want to take all of this beautiful glassware, and for the setting that you're putting for the child, you want to make sure you move that out of arm's reach. If you have any candles, you want to move those away as well. Basically, you'll take most of the cutlery away as well. Maybe leave a spoon. Wait to bring the cutlery till you know what the guest is going to and I always like to leave a little treat for the kids. It might be a little bag with just some crayons, coloring sheets, stickers, inexpensive things. I try to avoid things that are perishable or sweet, because you never know if there are allergies or things like that. But if you leave something like that there, it's pretty obvious that this is where the child is supposed to sit. Another thing that's a really good idea, if you can, seat child guests at booths or banquettes, like the tables behind me, so that the guests can kind of contain the kids a little bit easier if they're not going to be in a high chair. Also, if you're lucky, they might get a little tired, and it's a perfect place to have a little nap while parents are having their last glasses of wine or cups of coffee. I'm Mary King from wherethesidewalkends.com, and that was just a little bit about how to set a table for a child diner.